Hey everybody, welcome back here to a place to heal, my blood pressure / cat room. And today I want to show you guys or share with you a natural colon cleanser. I don't even remember where I got this. I got this years and years ago. All I know is it works, and I have my little book, which hopefully one day I will get out to you guys with, you know, all these detoxes and all these cleanses that I do once a year, twice a year, whatever. And this is one of my favorites because it's completely all natural. It helps to clean out your liver. It helps to clean out your colon, small colon, large colon, everything. And it really helps to clean out the body, especially as we're going into the holidays and we're going to be introducing all this junk into our systems. So this is a cleanse that we are going to be doing in my throne group, if you're a member of that. So I thought I would share it with you guys. We do different cleanses in there, you know, once a month. So this one is pretty simplistic, to the point, gets the job done. I love it. So what you're going to need for this is you're going to need 1/4. I've already got mine done. That's what it'll look like when it's done. 1/4 cup of organic apple juice. Make sure it's organic apple juice. If you can juice the apple juice at home, that's fine. If you can't, you can just get organic stuff from the store. That's also fine. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Make sure that it's fresh lemon. Do not use the stuff in a bottle. Make sure that it is lemon juice, and make sure that it is organic. Normally, you can get 2 tablespoons out of 1 lemon. Okay, next up is 1 teaspoon of ginger juice. And the thing that everybody asks me is, how do you make ginger juice? So all you need to do is you need to get yourself a grater, and you grate it on a plate. And once you have it all grated up and it's all piled up, you stick it in a strainer, and then you squeeze it with your hand, and then the juice comes out from underneath. If you don't want to do that, you can always put it in a juicer. It's a lot more wasteful. So you only need 1 teaspoon, so that's not a lot of work. Next up is a 1/2 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. Do not use regular salt. It has to either be pink Himalayan salt or Celtic salt. The finer, the better. You don't want the coarse stuff. You want nice and fine. And half a cup of warm water. If it can be a little bit on the hotter side, that would be great. Once you have it all mixed together, you want to just mix it up. I made mine today because we are going to be cleansing tomorrow. So I'm just going to put my jar on it. And yes, you can, my lid. And yes, you can just put it in the fridge like that for overnight. The only problem is that once you take it out, you have to get it to room temperature. You cannot drink this cold. Okay, so tomorrow morning, I'll just go ahead and put it out, or I might just leave it up on my counter tonight. I'm not even going to put it in the fridge. All right, so it's up to you. So you can put it in the fridge for 2 days if you want to, but when you take it out, you have to warm it up in order to drink it. And yes, you can warm it up on the stove. As long as you get it to a warmer consistency, you don't want to drink it cold. All right, so you can do this once a month if you like. Once you take it, you want to take this mixture before noon. So it's got to be in the morning. You don't want to take it at night. If you work graveyard, whatever, you want to take it whenever you wake up. Okay, so you want to take it, before noon. And once you take it, okay, you want to avoid all food for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, eat something light, and nothing. You don't want anything that's real heavy. Okay, so eat something light, and make sure that the day that you do this, 1, you're at home, 2, you're near a toilet, and 3, you get in at least 6 to 8 glasses of room temperature water into your system. Okay, because you want this stuff to get through. You want that salt to go through, to get through your liver, to get through your colon, and do the cleaning that it's supposed to. you know. So there it is. It's pretty simple. And it's pretty straight to the point. It will help. It will help with parasites. It will help with constipation, but it's not something that you want to take all the time. Okay, so this is a cleanse. This is not something for constipation. There's a lot more natural things for that. So this is strictly a monthly cleanse if you want to clean out. I do it once a year. I do it going into the holidays. I do my cleanse, I do a fast, and then I do a liver flush, because I know that no matter how good I am, there's going to be junk coming into my system. You know, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, all that lovely stuff. All right, so there you go. For those of you that want to correct me on my English, because I don't use my words correctly, instead of just, you know, taking the free information and running with it and leaving it at that. I just want to let you guys know, I know some of you that have followed me for a while, you know, English is not my mother language. It is not my first language. It's not the first language that I ever learned. Even though I speak it well, I am not from the United States. I wasn't born here. And I learned my Cuban language first. And I learned that. I did not learn my English until I was about 6 or 7. So, you know, even though I speak it well, the translation is still goes on in the head. And yes, I do say certain words, or I misuse certain words. And, you know, for that, hey, sorry. So there you go. All right, that's all I have to say. One last thing. There's been some stuff that has been brought to my attention. People using my videos to advertise their products, or using my recipes to, because I'm not a person that takes recipes from other people and steals stuff from other people. This is all, I do my own testing. I do my own everything. I'm my guinea pig. I have, my group is my guinea pig. They give me feedback, so I know what to tell you guys. So there's been people out there. I just recently had someone that was using my videos to sell their kidney juice. Some people have been using my articles. I write online articles for, you know, stuff. There's a few people that were in my group collecting information and selling it to other people. So these people have come forward to me. You are always welcome to get a hold of me through my website, through my TikTok, my Facebook, my Instagram, I don't care. Get a hold of me. Let me know if you see this going on, and so I can address it, because it's very frustrating when I spend hours and hours and hours and years of my life. This is 10 years of, you know, involvement and getting in there and talking to doctors and talking to nurses and going to seminars and, you know, taking health classes and herbal classes. And I can't even begin to tell you the hours I have put into this, more than any doctor would even think of putting in, you know, to get all this information, to have someone else take it, be, I don't know, blatant enough to sit there and actually use my videos and use my face to promote their product, saying that I'm saying that that's what's good. The last one was barley water. I have a video on barley, and this person actually used my videos to promote their products, which they're selling a barley concoction. And that's never what that video was intended for. It was actually so that you can make your own barley water at home. All right. So if you see that, please always feel free to contact me so I can take care of that. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I appreciate your followership, your viewership, and I cannot thank you enough for your support through the years. All right. We will see you next week. Stay happy. I'm going to keep you healthy. Love and respect one another. Bye-bye.